organisers saying turnout was 42%. Catalonia's president has called for mediation several times, but Madrid says that's only possible once the region gets back on the legal path. Joining me from Madrid, our correspondent Sarah Morris. Sarah, tell us a bit more then about this decision by the Constitutional Court.
Well, the Constitutional Court gives two reasons for suspending Monday's session. The first one is the danger that independence law, the referendum law, could be passed, and that would shatter the constitutional order. And the second one is that it would breach the rights of the other MPs in the Barcelona Parliament that are not in favour of independence. And in fact, it was one of those groups, it was the Catalan Socialists, that this morning turned to the Constitutional Court to get that Monday order banned. Nobody knew the specifics of Carles Puigdemont, the Catalan president's timing, but they knew that Parliament would be convened on the Monday, that he would speak and would deliver the results of that illegal referendum, that he would give more specifics after the counting and the scrutiny, particularly of overseas votes. And the MPs thought that afterwards there would be a change to the order of the day to enable a vote to be passed to allow a unilateral declaration of independence. And we know that the government in Catalonia, in that Barcelona Parliament, the Together for Yes campaign, has 62 seats. They rely on 10 seats from an organisation called CUP, Radical Left-Wing Party, but together they have 72 seats, which gives them the absolute majority, and they could have pushed that independence law through. It looks like now that debate won't happen.
Sarah, Catalonia's president made a televised statement yesterday. He was critical of the king, who accused Catalonia's authorities, the Catalonian authorities, of trying to break up the country. Now, Madrid, he wants mediation. Madrid says no way.
That's right. Madrid says no way. They view the statement that Carles Puigdemont gave last night as blackmail. And today, Mariano Rajoy, the Prime Minister, stepped up a call to the Catalan government. He said that they should call off that unilateral declaration of independence. They should say clearly that they're not going to make it. And then there could be talks. But he said before that, there was a danger, as he put it, of worse evils. People are very anxious now because it doesn't look as if there's any way out of this deadlock. Carles Puigdemont could decide to defy that Constitutional Court order on Monday. He could decide to go to the Parliament and try to pass that law in the teeth of the Constitutional Court's orders. We still don't know what will happen. But Mariano Rajoy, the Prime Minister, is under a lot of pressure in Spain to do something about what is seen as a region that is steaming ahead with independence. He's got to strike a very careful tightrope walk, really, between avoiding escalating tensions for the pro-independence movement in Catalonia after the tensions, the violence that was seen in trying to break up that referendum, and the right wing and people who are calling for Mariano Rajoy to be more proactive and to activate Article 155, which is seen as the nuclear option. That is directly intervening in a region, taking it over. And we saw the former Prime Minister, José María Aznar, today criticising his fellow Conservative, Mariano Rajoy, and saying that he should stop hanging around, that he should do something and take more decisive action.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Sarah Morris reporting from Madrid.